service, not just to congratulations on your
and dignity of the people of Kenya, that I will diligently serve the...
Congratulations, my very best wishes. It is my expectation and that of the government of Kenya that we shall continue to see a professional, a military that serves the people of Kenya. And as I have told you before, we do not expect to see ethnicity, bias, or any other consideration aside from professionalism. It is my expectation that the high standard that has been set by your predecessors, you will strive to attain even higher standards as you take over the leadership of the military. We will expect from you to serve the country as the foremost defense of the country against external threats. You will also be expected to work with the rest of the security agencies to support the security of the country in every other aspect. I will also be calling upon you to support other civilian agencies in the discharge of their responsibilities, deploying the discipline, the professionalism, the integrity of the military to support the rest of the civilian authority in ensuring that we take Kenya to the next level.